Morning everybody, Fat Steve, Spicehead-Media. It's about 10:15 I think, on 10:16 on Saturday. I think it's the 2nd of May. And does anybody want to buy a combine harvester? So we're coming down slowly across St John's Square, folks. And the church is open. There's a bit of music playing. I don't know why or what. Don't know what's on. You're right, man. So I don't know what's on. The music's just coming out of a beatbox, I think. So I don't know if it's food day or whether they're just normal people. The fountains are not on.
Hi everybody, it's Artist Bobby!
And I'm Fat Steve. And I'm the star of the show, Princess Sandra. And together we're Spicehead-Media. So the Winter Gardens has got its doors open. I don't know why. We'll have a quick little mooch. The Mocha and Wife statue has been put back in. And Mamma Mia, there we go again. How can I forget you? Da, 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 da. Can I get through here? I don't know. Not quite. So it's quiet in here today, folks. This is the beautiful Winter Gardens. Last time I was here, I was noticing how the palm trees had changed. So there's a little bit about it. Linda Hunt. All performances will be conducted by Ashley Jacobs. Very interesting, folks. So let's see if there's some new pictures in here. Let's just flick round away from these girls and let's have a little look. What have we got? Nice floral tribute there from Mamma Mia. Looking very nice. The cap is open. Empress Coffee and Bar Restaurant. And get a little close up of that. Very nice, folks. Look at that. Lovely. Pre-show dining menu. Ooh, lovely. Lamb cofters, Greek spaghetti. Ooh. So it's even a sort of Mamma Mia meal, folks. A Greek meal for a Greek show. So we've got a picture there of how it used to be in days gone by, folks. In days gone by when nights were old and ladies weren't invented, and night drilled holes in scaled telegraph poles and he had to be contented. So look at that, look how lovely this floral hall used to be back in the day, folks. So, show-stopping flavours. Mind these trees, and we head back out onto Church Street again. I'll just try and get you this big ceiling. We'll try and circumnavigate. Is he doing it? I don't know. He's trying. He's definitely trying, folks. He's trying every day for Bobby. My new Bobby's trying every day for me. So, not long now till the big day. Not long, folks. And it's getting close. We're in the final preparations. So, the farmers are here. That's why I'm out at this time of day. I'm not coming out at night. Dawn came out early evening last night, I think, and I might come out early tomorrow morning and film the clean up. So we're coming down Church Street. There's the odd one or two dotted about, so it's only 10:30. I don't know when the pubs and clubs open, so I'm going to have a little look. So we've got the Grand with its flag flying, looking good folks, looking good. Let's just squeeze around here. Go down past B&M. Lots of people about, not a lot of farmers yet. Still got that sunlight high up to my left, which is making it a little bit difficult. From this side it's hard to get you that tower, so I might drive further south and come back and try and get it here after. For now we're just trying to get across here and have a look at these pubs and clubs. So we've got a group coming towards us now, Eskdale. Don't know where that is. A couple of guys partying on the bin, hey? You alright?
Filming for?
YouTube. So some staff out here, but the fences and the railings are not here yet. So we're just coming up outside Brannigan's folks, and there's a few outside Witherspoons. We're quite quiet at this time in the morning, not much trouble. It's quite good, security's on the ball. And I might head down and have a look at them. I'll go round and head down to the prom for now. When I can move, I've just got a group right in my path. I'll have to squeeze through. Oh, they're moving now.
Oh, sorry.
You're alright, Chuck, thank you. So as we come down to the front of Yates's, more farmers sat having the breakfast. You alright, man? And outside Yates's, just door staff this morning. Where's all the punters?
I'm waiting.
You're waiting for the big rush. So as usual, Yates's has got the sawdust down, and it's spreading folks. So I'm trying to get around this corner. As I said, it's hard to film this way because of the sun, but I'm in the cloud now. It's not too bad. Oh, Fat Steve's in the cloud, is he? Yeah, he's in the cloud all day, every day. Lives in Cloud Cuckoo Land, allegedly. So we're coming round the front now, Turtle Bay. Nothing happening, folks. Nothing happening on Turtle Bay. So here's the other side of Yates's, and we can see this sawdust everywhere. And some of my door staff mates are here. You alright, man?
Yeah, mate.
How you doing?
Yeah.
Keeping well? I've not got you. So we're outside Shenanigans. And that's not that busy yet. So we'll cross this road and head back up. So have a little look at the sea. I'll try and get that tower, but I said the sun is in a very bad position for zooming, folks. So there, I've got it about as best as I can get it from this side. Waiting Chapel, not be long now. So let's have a look. I can smell the sea, and it smells quite fishy. It's a bit like smells like a Spanish sea. Unusual. So the waves are crashing a little bit, but not too bad. As we go out to the end of the pier, this pier's just changed hands recently, but I don't know whose it is now, and I don't know if they've changed that crazy filming policy they had. Another shot of the tower from over here. Well, that sun is right up high to the left. And we're back, and I'm not sure if the camera malfunctioned a little bit there or not. So I've got the sun back behind me as we head down here. And what have we got here? A load of people in yellow. No, I'm going to flick past that because it's a group of school kids or scouts or something in football uniform. So we're looking across now to the front of Pop World, or is it the back? It used to be the front when it was Scamps. And we're coming round, gently working our way round. And the lights have just changed, and they're no longer in my favour. So we'll get these cars whizzing down here. I'm not going to go because on the other lane there could be something coming up the other side of them. It's got the big Green King pub here that's having work done and got scaffolding on it. So that's the Green King, Bury St Edmunds, still open for business, folks. Despite the job, a couple of farmers here having a conference on the phone. So there it is. It's not open at the moment, a bit early yet for them. And my mate's in H2O, folks. Nobody in there yet. Some people at the back of the counting house, and as I move on down, we come to the back of Popwell, and we can see a bit of the litter from last night being taken away. Hi man. So it's quiet in there yet. I think they were getting tickets from there the other day, I'm not sure. So as we're coming into Queen Street, nothing going on round here yet. Nobody outside the walkabout. It's too early, folks. Too early for the walkabout. Solitary police car over the road. And as we come up and past bar 19, just to my right. I can't get off the curb now, I'll have to go up here a little bit further. I need to try and get back down that prom a bit further because of the light, or I might go in and leave it there and head back to the studio, folks. Yeah, I think this is what we'll do now. We found a really nice restaurant here last year, and I don't think we've been back. The Balkan Steakhouse. I mean, it made a lovely steak, very nice. So let's get over here a little bit and try and get round and look at the front of Soul Suite. So it's got tables out, but it's quiet yet, and I don't know if farmers are into that sort of music. So there we've got the Grand Metropole, beautiful. In fact, I'll stay on this side for a change. and we'll have a little look down. So we got Scotty's got it. I'm just going to adjust this tiller because it's too hard to drive if I'm moving a bit faster. So I was saying there's the Metropole. Allegedly due to be turned back into a hotel sometime soon, but we never know. 2 more young farmers as we come along to that awkward curb. And we're across. So I've got sirens in the distance coming from behind me, folks. We'll have a look once we can stop. So we can see the blue lights a long way off as it comes flying up here. So that's a mandatory ambulance for you folks. We haven't had none of them for ages. So I'm going to try and get across here, I think, somewhere around here. I should be able to get across. I can't remember where. Yeah, just about around here. It's got a couple of cars coming down there. Quiet that way, and I can head across, folks. So we're away, heading down the prom. Got the beach patrol team and the Range Rover just coming out. They'll be going down, getting ready to take the chains off. More farmers that side, all heading into town, folks. It's going to be a mad bumper busker day. Busker day? What's a busker day? A mad bumper of a day. So the pelican lights were beeping. Still lots of people heading down and into town, but they're not all farmers. Nice big hotels there. Tiffany's, the Claremont. As we come along, should have the Carlton coming up. There's a tram coming now, he's pinging at me. So I'm going to flick and get this tram coming up at the side of me, folks. That was a bit close. So for now it's Pat Steve, Spiceheads-Media, with the sun behind me. Hopefully I'm hiding it with my head, I don't know. We'll turn that way. Signing out in beautiful downtown Blackpool. I think it's only short, but it's a little bit to go with. Dawn came back yesterday after going to St Helens and she had filmed 3 videos. I found out last night when I was going to bed, and I was up at 4:30 editing. I think I've done 2 of them, and so I need some content of me to slot around them, or Dawn and me, and I don't think she's forgetting up and coming out today. So I've got another tram coming. I'm going to leave you all there. So for now it's Pat Steve, Spiceheads-Media. Keep safe everybody, bye.
everybody, it's Artist Bobby!
And I'm Fat Steve.
And I'm the star of the show, Princess Sandra. And together, we're Spicehead-Media.